apart. Money in my pocket, let me see what my car. I'm strong and I like to whip. Fix it up, I'm a beast with the flip. Yeah, the money don't stop. Sub and like to leave it coming for real. The video's coming, you just wait for the drop. Tell your friends they're gonna share this deal. You can catch me scooping around in the lot. Hey, Lucky's Wheels and Deals.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another little video, you guys. Today is St. Patrick's Day. I want to release this video today, so I want to do a little quick little video for y'all. Something that's different. I want to see these African mechanics rebuild this, Toyota Celica, I think? A 92? Yeah. Oh, Corolla. My bad. Hey, players mess up too, but anyways, guys, man, yeah, let's get into this video and see how they're gonna fix it. I see they're using tools, so I don't know. Maybe not mechanic tools. So yeah, let's get into this video and see what it is, man. See how they doing this shit, man. This is very interesting. I want to check it out, man. And plus, I want to share it with y'all. No tools. They got tools. Got a screwdriver, man. Wrench. Got a blown head gasket. If I'm not mistaken, look like they replaced the head gasket on it, man. Y'all guys comment below, let me know if I'm right or wrong. I think that was the head gaskets on these engines. I'm not too familiar with these engines, but it looked like it.
Captain. Ada kau dunia.
I know what that looked like. Y'all see that front tire right there? That what it looks like when you spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning, and you going deeper and deeper. I had a 4-wheel drive truck before I built up my little shed or my little compound in the backyard. Before I put all the rocks down, my shit was soft like that, like soft like baby shit or dog shit. Like it was just sinking. I had my whole lifted truck sink in there, even the 4-wheel drive, all 4 spinning, just making me go deeper and deeper in there, man. I've been there, done that. I could tell. And y'all remember when I had that SS Nova, they did the same thing. I was spinning the tires and it was going deeper and deeper. You have to put boards or something underneath. I jacked it up and put boards underneath, and then I was able to go. It's crazy. And then another time with the truck, I had to have someone pull me out. A tow truck pulled me out with a wire. That's crazy. Yep. Got him out. Don't go back. Y'all push that shit, y'all. Sitting there watching shit. Push it out.
Aya.
Well, that's the outside body shop right there. Y'all see that? Man, they got the outdoor body shop. I don't know why I keep pausing them when I can just put on me. It ain't like they saying anything important. This is the straight action. Like, man, they over there just getting they hustle on. I respect it though. That's motivation for the ass. They welding, putting shit back together. Man, that shit remind me of Unc. Man, you don't need all them fancy ass tools and shit. It should remind me of Unc hustling and grinding and working, man. You don't need that new shit. Put that old shit on there. You putting old parts on cars and shit. Piecing them back together, making it work though. This shit work. You gotta work with what you got. Yeah, I respect it though.
Neda bucura de dia kamu. Mana nak tahu dia? Dia kena dah tahu ke saya punya. Bapa tu kata diviring aku dah ya korang. Sana kotin. Ada korang. Kotin. Nhiều của này, đấy con của, là cái giá cái này dê nhỉ? À thì, đâu có nào tổ nhân này ra tổ nhân thì kita có satu, là như vậy.
Man, I thought he was gonna bang his goddamn finger like where he was hitting that goddamn hammer. Goddamn, I thought he was gonna smash his goddamn finger. I was scared for him. Shit. Oh. Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. He got all his shit set up. See, he had to get fresh on him one time, y'all. Changed his clothes, cleaned up the car. It went from muddy and ugly, broke down, and damn, he put that thing back together. I guess that's what it's all about, man. When you take a car that's not running and put it back on the road, you take pride in that shit, man. I know the feeling, man. I used to work on cars, man. I just don't like working on cars. I hate working on cars. I don't like busting my knuckles. I just don't have the patience. I get frustrated, but man, I remember bringing cars back to life, man. Probably not to that far, like far as, tune-ups and alternators, water pumps and shit like that. Like I did that type of stuff. Alternators, I say alternators? Yeah, shit like that. Nothing too major or whatever, man. Control arms, like suspension work, I did that. Bolt-ons, not deep into the motor, no. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but man, I like that. Rolling. rolling, camera, action. Looky. So yeah, guys, man, I appreciate, love all y'all, man. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Look at Wilson Dizzle. I'm out. Yay! Yada!
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss, on the hood of the scraper.